Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Fiat 500 here on a 2012 plate. Basically this is what it looks like. So if you've got one of this and wondering what I'm doing with it, it is the direction indicator bulb we're replacing. Is slightly discolored on this side here, and then this is exactly the same as well, slightly discolored. So what I'm going to do, they are quite a common fault, you know, because of the bulbs are orange, so they do flake off. I'll show you the new one. So basically that's the bulb right there. Give it a bit of a clean. This one needs a bit of a clean. So basically this is the bulb. So they usually flake off on the top. Now the tools you need, you can either use a Phillips screwdriver, but I would advise you not to because they are really tight. So use a 10mm socket if you can with a ratchet. And the bulb you need is a 581 bulb that can be found in the link as well. So if you did want one, you can get one from there. I've already unscrewed the screws, loosened them up. So all I'll do is undo it. Please switch the hazards off. Take the screws out first. Once you take them out, you do the top one as well. Take that one out. So that's it. And then you gently wedge your fingers in, do it from the top if possible, and then pull the whole unit out. As you can see now, this is it. Basically, it is a quite simple procedure. Things you can do like to unplug this, but I'm not going to really unplug it. So you've got a clip here on the back, and then gently lift it up, clip there, gently lift it up, and then you've got a clip here, gently lift it up, and then you got a clip here as well, gently lift it up. I'm just going to get a second hand. If you can just come around here please, just hold it where it is. Brilliant. You've got that clip there, and then you take the whole thing out. Once you take the whole thing out, you got to remember there's a seal around here, so you don't want to lose the seal or anything, and if it's not in properly, make sure you push it back in as well. Now if you did want to do other bulbs, like you've got basically, so you've got the fog light, you've got the, I don't know which one's going. This is going to be the fog light, this is the direction indicator, this is going to be a position lamp, that's going to be a stop lamp, or vice versa, the other way around on that side there. Okay, so I now do is take the bulb out. As you can see, this is all flaking off. So that's the reason the color is white. It's not bad at the moment, but the customer requested he wants to replace it. So I'm going to just put the new one in. So there's only one way the new bulb would go in. And always remember, when you get a bulb as well, these little pins here, one's in an angle, the other one's quite straight. Okay, so just remember that. And then all you then do is put it back together. So it just goes in one way as well. You just need to make sure get it in right. And it goes into that little gap there as well. That's it. And then you hear a click. And do from the bottom, click, click, and then do the top one here, click. That's all it is. Then just remember this bit here as well. It goes in these little slots right there. So you line it up. Once you've lined it up, and then you push it in and it clicks. That's all it was. Should we just check the lights? That's it. It's a lot better now. It's quite orange. As you can see, this one is still white, but that one's quite orange now. That's all you had to do on this particular model. I'm just going to put everything back together. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Lights up please. As much as we can. And also don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.